sheltered by the light for far too long. The time has come for darkness to reign. Soon your resolve will begin to crumble. You'll be stretched too thin. There will be nowhere left to hide, and your fire will cease to burn. For no light shall survive in my empire of eternal night.
Benjamin J. Grimm, reporting for duty. Too easy! Coming through! Let's rumble! I'll cover you! That's gonna bruise! Let's go, Logan! It's clobbering time!
Human Torch in the house, yo! You don't look so hot! Boom goes the meteor! No applause? Dodge this! Supernova! Firestorm!
Who wants to see something fantastic? Next. Force burst! They'll never see me coming. Clear the way! Disappear!
Now for something truly fantastic! That was simple. I've got you! Double the failure! Maximum! Let me return the favor! I'm as strong as Ben!